This 2025 K-Z Sportsmen SE 261 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 31 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide out, external shower, oven, spare tire kit, awning, smoke detector, stovetop burner, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 K-Z Sportsmen SE 261 BHK is 6,270 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.